Hello friends, in this video I want to fix the delete button here, and also I want to display the message when we create, update or delete a listing. Okay, so I'm going to go in the VS Code, and here we have the index blade PHP, which is this one. And here we have if we have a session message, we display the div with a class bg indigo 600, text gray and the message. And if I go here, we have the store method, and we return redirect to the road, and I'm going to say with message and I'm going to say listing created successfully. Okay, I'm going to save this and go back here, new listing, and I'm going to use fake filler, just update the categories here and country, state and city, also choose the files. Open image 2 and the image 3. Okay, hit save, and now we have a listing created successfully. You can choose a color, you can choose the text, the position of the text. You need to use the Italian CSS. Okay, so here we have div with text gray and text center. So if we remove that, the text is going to be in the left. I'm going to leave because I want it in the middle, the center. Okay, now I want to fix for the update, because if I update now, so here I'm going to say updated and update. We are not redirecting. If I go back, and yes, this updated, but first we are not redirecting back. So in the update method here, yeah, we are not redirecting, so I'm going to copy what we have here and paste it here, but just change this listing. Updated successfully. Okay, save this and go and edit again, remove, or just say updated again and hit update, and now listing updated successfully. Okay, now I want to delete, so if I click delete, nothing happened for now. Okay, so refresh. Yeah, we have two listings, but here we have the destroy method. I'm going to say the listing is going to be listing find or fail, the ID, and before we delete the listing, we need to delete also the images of the listing. So in our case, the listing has 4 images, 1, 2, 3, 4. We need to delete them, and if I go in the storage, and here we have a listings file. In the app public listing we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 files, because we have two listings, and if we delete we need to have only 4. Okay, so here I'm going to say storage delete, and delete the listing feature image. Also copy and paste for the image 1, for the image 2, and for the image 3. We need to import the storage. Okay, after we delete the files, we delete the listing itself, listing delete, and I'm going to copy this one now and paste it here with a message listing deleted successfully. Okay, I'm going to refresh and hit delete, and listing deleted successfully. Now we have only one listing, and go here, and in the listings directory we have only 4 files. If I delete the listing again, and we don't have any files here, we delete all the files. Okay, hope you enjoy the video, and see you in the next one. All the best. Thank you very much.